First, I want to greet to everybody, all the participants tonight. I know you are from different parts of the world, so that's why I told you I'm greeting you good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, can you also chat with us? So, where are you from, and also where do you watching the meetings from? Okay, so use the chat box so we can also have a little bit warm up. First, of course, I'm going to introduce myself. My name's Julia Wang. I'm your MC tonight. Hopefully, we are going to have a wonderful time tonight. I do believe we will do that. Okay, and also tonight is our Crowd Power Talks. So this is happening every Tuesday. To give everybody, especially for the business owners, a power, what called? It's a time for us to equip our knowledges and also to grow more business skills. And of course, for the newcomers, especially for the first timers, so welcome you to join us also. And I do believe you will also learn so many informations from our speakers. And of course, we invite everybody, if possible, you open your camera so that we can also see your beautiful faces. And of course, if you have any question, really tonight probably you are going to have a question because there are so many good ideas. And if you have any questions, so don't be hesitant to chat in the chat box. So I do believe our speakers is going to take time to answer your question. Okay, so let's start to invite our two speakers tonight, and they are very professional trainers from Amway, and also they are very good, very kind people in our business. They really help us a lot, especially from Amway part. And the first speaker is Sir Michael. And he is Amway's trainer, and he gives us a lot of information about the products, all the knowledge from the new products, I think we coming from him. So tonight, I do believe he's going to give us some highlights for the new products, the new Case chewable tablet. So I don't know if you already use or try it or not. So if you try it, can you also chat on the chat, type on the chat box? So how do you feel with the kids vitamins and also for your babies if they really like it or not? Okay. So now I'm going to invite our first speaker, Sir Michael, for our first training. Hello, Sir Michael.
Hello, Miss Julia. Thank you very much for the introduction. Let me just share my screen. And amazing evening to our leaders and to our dear ABOs who's with us in this training room tonight. And I hope everyone is okay. And to start with, okay, so we'll be discussing more about Nutrilite Kids Daily vitamins. Okay, why are we discussing this today? This is also very important since, uh, diba, recently it's raining, it's a sunny day, so there's changes in the weather. So kids are prone to colds, to flu, to cough, and giving them the right amount of nutrients will help their body, and also their immune system be strong and away from any sickness. And there's a trend in Asia in terms of nutrition because in many Asian countries, including the Philippines, our traditional diet used to be filled with rice. Okay, just to share with you, by the way, our managing director visited us here in the Philippines, and he was amazed because we cannot live without rice. And in their country, they don't usually eat rice. So whenever he visit Philippines, he uh he think Filipinos are more of rice, right? And this is also our main food here in the Philippines because we cannot eat our food without rice. Totally, it's a complete package. And also, kids don't eat too much vegetable. They don't eat fish. They just want foods that are tastier compared to like a regular food. For example, they love fries, which is salty and it has unhealthy fats or oil. And also processed foods, 'di ba? Mas gusto nila yung mga hot dogs, mga tocino, whatsoever. And this kind of foods are not healthy. And this is the reason why other kids are obese. And today, times have changed. Kids are eating more processed food, sugary snacks, and fast food because we have access to this kind of platforms like for Grab, for Food Panda. We can easily order foods. And kids nowadays are also buying soft drinks, sweetened drinks everywhere. And sadly, childhood obesity is the output. And we also know Filipino kids love tasty snacks and often wins over nutrition because mas masarap nga daw kumain ng fries kesa kumain ng real potatoes. Mas masarap kumain ng burger kesa sa gulay, right? And parents nowadays, which is a good thing that parents want healthy and safe options. But sometimes kids talaga, it's hard to get kids to eat enough fruits, vegetables, or even dairy. And here in the Philippines, nagkaroon ng study, uh, in specific here in Asia, hindi nami-meet ng mga bata yung recommended daily amounts of fruits and vegetables every day. So kung kulang sila sa nutrients like calcium, vitamin C, magnesium, iron, and vitamin A. So kaya humihina yung immune system nila. And syempre, kailangan balanced diet talaga. So at the end of the day, kailangan balanced diet with plenty of fruits and vegetable, whole grains, and plant-based foods. And also, part na din doon yung vitamins for kids or supplementation for kids. Kasi habang lumalaki sila, tumataas din yung requirement ng katawan nila in terms of nutrients.
Sa amin.
Ayan. So, may iba-ibang category yan. So, may key nutrients necessary for children's growth. Una-una dyan, yung macronutrient. Kailangan may sapat silang total caloric intake from protein, from healthy fats, carbohydrates. Yan yung mga major factor na nagde-determine ng growth rate ng isang bata. Next is calories. Kasi ang calories, siya yung nagpo-provide ng energy para sa mga bata for them to play, di ba? Para makapag-exercise sila. And hindi lang yun, nagko-contribute din po ang calories sa development of muscles and bones ng mga bata. Next is kailangan calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, vitamin K. So yan yung mga essential nutrients para masuportahan yung growth and development ng bones nila. And strong and healthy bones are crucial for increasing height. Kaya may mga bata at their age hindi sila ganun katangkad. Kasi supposedly dapat sa age nila nagva-vary din yung tangkad nila. And nagiging critical yon sa growth periods ng isang bata at adolescent sila. So kailangan nila syempre ng phytonutrients. Part of that also is quality of sleep. Kasi ang bata, kailangan talaga may sapat na tulog for proper growth and development and overall well-being. Ang recommended sleep durations para sa bata, no, for specifically for preschoolers, kailangan 10 to 13 hours. No? Ang ano naman for medyo mga age 7 to 10 or 12, kailangan 9 to 12 hours ang sleep nila. For teenagers naman, kailangan 8 to 10 hours sleep per night. So kailangan din consistent yung sleep routine nila, hindi yung pabago-bago. Kasi kailangan din nila ng pahinga. Part of this is regular physical activity din po. Children should engage at least an hour or kahit isang oras of moderate to vigorous physical activity daily. Kaya mas okay po na pinaglalaro natin yung mga bata sa labas, hayaan natin silang mapagod, no? Pagpawisan sa labas kasi hindi rin po okay na lagi natin silang pinapagamit ng gadgets kasi ang gadget, ma-expose po sila sa blue light. Minsan po yung mga bata sa sobrang paggamit po nila ng mga gadgets, hindi nila namamalayan, nagpupuyat na din po pala sila because of the blue light. No? It keeps them away. And physical activity is crucial for maintaining a healthy weight din po. Mapapansin nyo maraming mga bata ngayon obese na at young age kasi wala silang proper physical activity. Hindi sila nakakapaglaro sa labas, hindi sila nakakapag-exercise. So tendency talaga, tataba sila or magiging obese sila. Mapapansin din po natin yung mood nila. No, minsan nagtatantrums na. So physical activity will improve their mood and help manage stress. Balanced nutrition. Kailangan yung diet nila may gulay, may prutas, no, variety of nutrients necessary po for healthy growth and development. Hydration is also crucial. Kailangan pinapainom po natin sila ng tubig. At least 8 to 10 glasses of water every day para po sa proper digestion, circulation po ng blood nila, and temperature regulation. Okay, please remember this kind of things. Now, growing children need a lot of nutrients kasi po ang proper nutrients, yan po yung nag-fuel sa strong foundation ng paglaki nila and development nila. We all know that children can be picky eaters. Hindi sila mahilig kumain ng prutas, hindi sila mahilig kumain ng gulay, no? And ito yung mga challenges ng isang parents, no? Or challenges ng mga parents. So they face this kind of challenges in ensuring their children getting all the necessary nutrients from the diet alone. Okay, so with this, let's watch this short video.
And veggies from all 5 colors of the food groups are what make up our super awesome Nutrilite Kids Daily Multivitamin Chewable Tablets. Hey, kids like stuff that tastes really good. That's why our chewable tablets, they've got spinach and blueberries from our NutriCert farms and are jam-packed with 18 vitamins and minerals, plus 6 Nutrilite plant concentrates that help support kids' immune systems, eye health, and build strong bones. Nutrilite Kids Daily Multivitamin Chewable Tablets, the tasty solution to fill your little one's daily dietary gaps. Nutrilite Kids, we grow plants so you can grow kids.
All right, so introducing our Nutrilite Kids. This is powered by plants, approved by moms, and loved by kids. So let's check the features and benefits of this product. So the driving factor to create Nutrilite Kids Daily Chewable is the desire for a balanced supplement for children with vitamins and minerals that exist in harmony with one another. So yung formula po niya is based on the latest children's nutrition science. Doesn't not only contains vitamins and minerals, but also it contains fruits and vegetables that are rich in phytonutrients. And with only one serving, 2 tablets a day, you can already help your kids achieve optimal health and provide the nutrients they need to grow at the same time. So speaking of fruits and vegetables, yung formula po nito acknowledgement of the growing emphasis in incorporating plant-based food into children's diet. So yung trend na po kasi na to is driven by the recognition of the health benefits associated with the complex phytonutrients that are rich in antioxidants, yung carotenoids like yung B-carotene, nag-add din po kami ng 8 fruits and encompass po sa 5 color spectrums. So di ba sa next generation XX natin, may 5 color spectrum, yung white, yung orange, yung red, yung purple, and yung green. Okay, so na-incorporate din po siya dito sa Nutrilite Kids vitamins And also there has been a rise in consumer demand for clean labels. So ano po ba yung clean label? So ito po yung preference for products that are free from artificial ingredients, yung preservatives and additives. Kasi most parents right now are seeking greater transparency in ingredient list and nutritional information for children's food products. So marami na pong parents, before they buy a specific product for their children, binabasa po muna nilang mabuti yung content or yung laman, yung mga nutrition facts ng mga pagkain. And eto po yung trends na to is nagre-reflect sa growing awareness of the importance of proper nutrition to support children's growth. May questions po? Okay, so please let me know if you have questions. Type in your questions sa chat box so that I'll know and I can answer your questions po. All right? So the kids daily with 2 tablets a day, it can improve the kids' optimal health and support their growth at the same time. So yung supportive points po nito is rounded nutrition, safety nutrition from Nutrilite, and the delicious fruity taste. Yung Nutrilite Kids Daily Chewable po natin contains a balanced combination of the vitamins and minerals to support children's bone health. So example po nito yung combination ng calcium, ng magnesium at yung vitamin D. So starting po with calcium and vitamin D. Yung 2 nutrients na po kasi na to, sila po yung tandem. So nagtatandem po sila to ensure adequate bone mass gain and achieving optimal peak bone density, which are vital for high growth ng isang bata. Ngayon naman po yung vitamin D2, this is essential to aid the absorption of calcium. So kailangan po may vitamin D2 para po mas ma-absorb ng katawan niya yung calcium from the diet. Kasi po, pag insufficient po yung vitamin D levels, yung calcium absorption po could be impaired. No, that's why vitamin D2 supplementation in childhood can maximize the peak bone mass, yung improve ng bone mineral density, and reduce fracture, yung fracture risk in adulthood. Kaya habang bata po sila, kailangan ma-achieve na po nila yung peak bone mass para po strong bones po hanggang sa kanilang paglaki. And so, as what I mentioned, your vitamin D2 is essential to aid the absorption of calcium from the diet. Okay, yung calcium po kasi is a critical building block for strong and dense bones. Kailangan po sufficient yung intake nila ng vitamin D and calcium habang bata pa po sila, and para po ma-support yung or adolescent supports the growth and elongation of bones, which is essential for increasing height. Kaya mapapansin po natin yung ibang bata sobrang liit kahit anong age na nila, aside from genetics, syempre, hindi din, it's another factor na dapat kasi ang isang bata may enough calcium sila. Mapapansin nyo may mga batang, may mga parents, di ba? Hindi naman ganong katangkaran. Pero makikita nyo yung anak nila sobrang tangkad. It's because habang bata pa lang yung anak nila, binibigyan na nila ng proper vitamins para sa calcium, para tumangkad sila. Okay? And mapapansin din po natin, yung vitamin K, tumutulong po kasi yung mag-regulate ng deposition of calcium in the appropriate location. So yung vitamin K, parang yung calcium dadalhin po yan sa legs, yung sa joints, di ba, sa arm na part. So parang siya yung nagde-deposition. So parang dinidistribute niya. So hindi lang po sa bones but also teeth. No, while preventing its accumulation in soft tissues like blood vessels and kidneys, yung vitamin K, in-ensure niya yung calcium is effectively utilized for bone growth and development. Okay? So ganun po siya explain. Vitamin A. Ito very important to kasi maraming bata, when they eat, kailangan may gamit silang iPad. Before they sleep, kaya gumagamit sila ng iPad. Kapag naboboard sila, gusto nila gumamit ng iPad. And or tablet or cellphone, no? Kids nowadays are increasingly using electronic devices. So ito po na nagkakaroon ng impact sa little eyes nila. So with our product, it contains vitamin A plus beta-carotene to support kids' eye health. This is created for mom and kids, diba? And what moms want. So karamihan ng nanay, mas gusto nila yung product that will help their kids from healthy habits to grow into strong and healthy adults. So they are looking for natural, yung clean label na na-share ko kanina, and wholesome ingredients for their kids. Siyempre, convenience din, safety and transparency are very important. What kids need. Most kids, especially yung mga mapili kumain or the picky eaters, they don't get enough everything they need in their diets every day. So with this, it's a fun, good tasting Nutrilite Kids Daily. It was created to fill the gaps and provide the nutrients that the kids need to grow, diba? Need to grow rather. And this is created by a mom with a PhD in nutrition. Nutrilite not only understands the vitamin and mineral science of kid supplements, but also we understand the challenge of being a parent and ensuring filling the gaps in our kids' nutritional needs. So what I mentioned earlier, it encompasses the 5 color spectrum. So meron tayong white, fruits and vegetables. So dito sa kids daily natin, it has the guava. Sa orange naman, it's pineapple, orange, and papaya. Sa red, we have the passion fruit and strawberry. Sa purple naman, we have the blueberry. And sa green color, we have the spinach. Okay, so yung orange and yellow, yung pineapple, orange, and papaya, so full po yan ng carotenoids. Like yung beta-carotene, yung lutein, maganda yan sa mata, yung lycopene, no? Not to mention, they're also full of vitamin C. They provide support for your for the kids' immune system and eye health. Yung purple and yung blueberry is hindi talaga nakukuha ng karamihan yan eh. Not many people get enough of purple and blue color. So they contain a large quantity of anthocyanins. Ito po yung nag-help to support brain and heart health. So yung white naman, alam naman natin that it supports bone. So sources of calcium and potassium, siya yung nag-support sa bone formation. Sa green naman, so diet rich in dark leafy greens, yung like spinach, so nagpo-provide siya ng flavonoids and a good source of folate. So yung folate po, siya po yung nagsusupport as a host of benefits including yung sa heart health and also the childhood neurological growth. Okay, so yung brain development ng isang bata. Now with Nutrilite, okay, so we track every ingredient from seed to supplement. Of course, to customers, di ba, may 9-step trace process tayo. So we deliver pure, safe, and effective, that is plant-rich products into the hands of our APOs and to our customers or prospects. So yung spinach po natin in the Kids Daily Chewable is grown syempre sa certified organic farms po natin, and that's in El Patacal, Mexico. So every decision we make, starting from selecting the seed, when to grow, or how it was harvested, they are all carefully documented. So we need to remember that. We need to remember the 9-step trace process para pag may nagtanong na prospect or customer natin, alam natin kung paano siya ikikwento, or it's easier to tell the story about it rather than telling them ano ba to from seed, ano lang. So they can understand. So it's better if you tell it in like a storytelling para mas maintindihan nila kung paano natin napoproduce yung product, no, from seed to you. Okay? And ito siya. So we need to understand, di ba, from choosing the botanical, from selecting the seed, choosing the farm. So hindi lang naman natin basta tinatanim yan kung saan. So pwede naman natin siya itanim kung saan, di ba? Pero we choose to plant it in El Patacal, Mexico because of the temperature, the soil quality, di ba? And growing, syempre, harvesting, and extracting. So sa pagdating sa extracting, they make sure na sa ganitong time, mas high na yung potency niya. No, at peak, kung tawagin, nasa pinaka-highest level na siya tsaka nila i-harvest para mas enough yung nakukuha nating nutrients coming from the plants. Siyempre, manufacturing, the packaging, and lastly, to our consumers or to our prospects, diba? With the Nutrilite Kids Daily Vitamins and Minerals, so it's a great tasting children's multivitamin and mineral. So chewable tablet siya twice a day with the strawberry orange flavor. May 18 vitamins and minerals na siya, plus it contains phytonutrient. No, yung plant ingredients natin from the 5-color spectrum of phytonutrients. It also provides 13 vitamins and 5 minerals and phytonutrients to support and improve the optimal health for kids and support bones and eye health for the kids. So yung 8 fruits and vegetables na, so na-encompass yung 5-color spectrum, wala din siyang artificial ingredients, wala siyang preservatives, and wala siyang additives. So how to take? So per bottle, may 60 chewable tablets siya. Take 2 chewable tablets daily, preferably with meals for children 4 to 12 years old. Again, from 4 to 12 years old lang po siya pwede. Okay? Bakit? It's because the size of the chewable tablet. Medyo malaki po siya kasi baka po pag pinatake natin siya for children under 4, baka po ma-choke. Alright? And please make sure, or disclaimer lang, to tell our prospects or to our customers or kung saan nyo siya i-prevent or sinong gagamit, that children with a medical condition should consult with a physician first before using this product. Chewable Kids Approved Taste. So the Nutrilite Kids Chewable Strawberry Orange is a hit with children for its delightful taste. Siyempre, yung aroma niya, yung color niya, it's very attractive to kids. Nagkaroon din po kami ng taste test with 101 kids, and yung strawberry orange flavor ang gusto talaga nila. They are overwhelmingly preferred this type or this kind of flavor. And we have carefully crafted it to avoid any medicinal taste kasi may ibang chewable tablet na pag kinain mo may aftertaste. So we carefully crafted that para maiwasan natin yung medicinal taste while delivering a texture that kids enjoy. Mapapansin din kasi ng bata pag ang binigay mo sa kanila is vitamins. Pag naamoy nila, pag natikman agad nila, isusuka nila, di ba? With this one, gustong-gusto naman nila. So it's delicious, it's kid-approved flavor profile, and Nutrilite ensures getting essential vitamins is an experience children will ask for again. It is also certified by NSF, okay? So, yung Nutrilite Kids Daily Chewable po natin are certified by NSF. So, yung NSF po kasi is a mark that is widely recognized and respected. So, pag may NSF approved siya, or pag ang isang product is NSF approved, it provides assurance to consumers that the certified product has been rigorously evaluated against comprehensive safety and quality. So sa lahat po, pag dumaan po dyan, for sure, trusted po yan. Okay? And the price. Yung price difference niya from the previous one, mas mura. Okay? So 742 pesos and 50 cents compared to the previous one na yung Kids Vitamins and Minerals chewable tablet natin is 1,021 and 50 cents before. However, there are also changes. No? Yung Kids Chewable natin, it has 13 vitamins, 5 minerals, and 8 Nutrilite plant concentrates. Yung previous one, 11 vitamins, 4 minerals lang siya, and phytonutrients. Now, with our Kids Chewable, it supports immune health, yung bone, yung eye, vision health, and vitamin A and beta-carotene. So with the previous one, immune bone, wala siyang vitamin A, but it has beta-carotene. With the flavor naman, it's strawberry orange. Yung previous one is orange lang. The big difference is the tablets. So 60 tablets for the new one and 90 tablets from the previous one. It's halal certified, in formula siya, GMP, manufactured, ibig sabihin po is good manufacturing practices para po ma-ensure yung safety and quality. And we also have the 100-day satisfaction guarantee that this is only offered by Amway. If not satisfied, they can return the product, they can request for a full refund within 100 days. But we guarantee that since our product are safe and effective, syempre they will not request for a refund and a change of a product because a strong commitment to consumer protection. And also, our customers. So you'll have an insight for our customers. Sino ba yung pwede nating lapitan, di ba? Looking for ways, of course, to support their child's immunity, the growth and development, and concerned about picky eating kids or the nutritional gaps. Yes po, may question po.
Kasi nakaligpit na si AM.
Do you have questions po? Ayan, okay, so going back to our discussion, so it's plant-based or it has also the clean label supplements, often interested in long-term wellness and preventive health for their kids. I would like also to share our value-based selling framework. It is important to establish credibility in order for customers to believe in us. Kailangan maniwala sila sa atin at sa product natin. And the connection between the business opportunity and the products can increase the belief in products for customers and can increase the likelihood of activation in new Amway business owners. That is why we emphasize that you should start with a product. Furthermore, the studies have yielded two important findings. First, if customers don't believe in the product, they won't believe that they can make money with it. So what it means for you, syempre they are less likely to join the business. Second is new ABOs who join the business, who believe in the product, are more likely to activate their business. So anong ibig sabihin nun? This means more business and coaching opportunities for further expansion. And now you might be thinking, is this a great business? Start with the product. What do I need to say? What should be avoided? And how do I structure my conversation that would lead to a connection with customers and product sales? That's great, no? We've conducted many tests globally with customers and Amway business owners trying to understand their needs and wants. So after that, combining all of the global findings together, we discovered a really helpful formula that works with all brands and categories and around the world po ito, and it is what our customers continually ask. Ito po yung share natin. Identify the value. It will help you to provide relevant information para po makapag-drive kayo ng conversation with your prospect and your customers and keep them engaged. Kailangan lang po mag-ask tayo ng open-ended questions about their health and well-being, kung ano yung needs nila that would be relevant to the solution. You can also share your personal story. Huwag naman yung sobrang habang story ha. Kung ano mo lahat share mo na. Just share at least 2 to 5 minutes, how the product transformed you, transformation story on your well-being journey. Kasi this will create credibility. It will establish the reason you use the product or the program form that will connect the connection between you and the customer. You can also explain the benefits. Now that you have learned about their needs and connected with them through your own story, you can share the benefits connected to their health and well-being journey. So you can create belief in the solution. You can show how Amway is different or unique from other competitors out there. Establishes a benefit to them. Lastly, engage in community. You can connect the customer to value-driven communities where they can share their journey and learn from like-minded people, which provide a sense of belonging. And lastly, building loyalty. Because if you build loyalty, it will benefit the business. So we need to reinforce the benefits of participating in a community, selling other relevant products or solution that fits to their needs. And lagi nating pinapaalala, no? This is the value of Amway. We should be honest, diba? We don't need to overclaim, okay? Because we are building trust. All right? Again, do not overclaim and be honest. So with AMPay, this is the AMPay earning for our kids' daily vitamins and minerals. So 82.50 siya. So start the day right. So by the way, mapagkakaroon tayo ng changes with our start the day right because there's a new product coming this year. So hindi pa po natin siya i-discuss. Okay, so stay tuned lang for announcement. But there's a new product coming this year. All right, so that's it. If you have questions, please feel free to type in your question or you can open your mic.
Okay, thank you, Sir Michael. Thank you very much. Yes, of course. So we are going to encourage all the participants. If you really have a question, use the chat box to ask Sir